I've got a Morini tachometer, and this is the electronic type, made by Veglia, often jokingly referred to as vague liars. And this one doesn't lie, it doesn't work. It was working until recently and then just suddenly ceased to function. So I need to open it up and have a look and see if anything can be done with it. Ultimately, replacement circuit boards are available, or I might have to come up with one. But I have to take the bezel off, and the bezel is crimped. So I have made some adapters out of pieces of plastic. This one is obviously the driver. It's notched to clear the lamp holder, or the holder for the lamp holder, in fact. So that's a sort of light hand push onto the body. And in the chuck, I've got another piece of this heavy wall PVC tubing that I've machined with a V to match the bezel. And I've got a bullnose centre, and at the moment I'm using an old pulley to transfer the load from the bullnose to the back of this adapter. But if we get this set up, we should be able to machine the crimp off the back of the bezel. And I've got replacement bezels and glass and seals, but I've got to make a tool to roll the new bezel over, but we'll get it open at this stage. Well, here's the setup, and I haven't put any pressure on with the tailstock yet. So if we come over here and zoom in a bit, then as I apply the pressure, and you should just about be able to see the case moving. So that's when it stops moving. So that's the seal compressed, and that gives us a little bit of clearance, and we should be able to machine the bezel off. Okay, we're all ready to go. I'm going to take this fairly slow. Up against a bed stop, so I'm feeding with the top slide. It's only brass, so that's it off part of the way round. There's a little bit left, but I think we'll probably be able to peel that back and take it apart. And indeed, I just used a Noga triangular deburring tool to peel it. That's the bezel, and the seal and the glass. You can see it's had a little bit of moisture in there, but that's the instrument open, and will be it for this video. I may do a video on pulling the needle, taking the movement out, whatever. I don't think I have to pull the needle. The mechanism looks to be not doing too badly because it's still got the damping, so should be just an electronics fault.